Breitling, instruments for professionals.
Hello,
Hi.
welcome to SkyDive Dubai. How are you?
I'm fine. I'm feeling a little bit nervous as well as excited. So let's
Yeah,
see
because
how it
you're
goes.
jumping from the plane, right?
Yeah, of course.
Is it your first time?
Yeah, it's my first time.
And?
Nothing. I'm just excited to go in the air and fall out.
All right.
That's it.
You know what to do in the air?
Yeah, I know. My instructor is nice.
All right. So you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Let's have fun
Woo! Okay.
and see you in the plane.
Okay.
All right. If you're in the plane on the way up,
Okay.
how do you feel?
Feeling a little bit excited. It's cold here, I guess. It's
You're
cold
gonna
up
be
in the
jumping
clouds.
like a third one. You're gonna be third one.
Third one. Okay, no problem.
No
Three is my
problem.
lucky number, by the way.
You trust her?
Okay.
Good, good, good. 33333.
Yeah.
Very much good number for you. Anything wants to say before we go?
No, nothing. Just land me safely, nothing else.
Have fun and see you out there. Welcome back. How was it?
It was great.
Great,
Oh my
right?
God, seriously, it was great. I'm gonna do it once again.
Woo! Thank you for jamming with SkyDive
Thank
Dubai.
you so much, guys. Thank you so much.